Alright folks, this is Dane at JONAH Guitars, and I was just going to do a quick and dirty video here. I haven't posted a video in quite a while. I've been super busy with all the different things, and I had a death in the family, and I've been in and out of town every weekend, and so it just hasn't been a good month for videos. And I'm going to be going on vacation here pretty quick, so probably won't be posting a lot then either. This is a device that I'm going to use for pushing in bushings, tuner bushings. So that's got a bushing on it now. Now, I bought this and it was a little smaller than I liked, even though it's a 1/4 inch driver. And it's made for driving in anchors, concrete anchors. And you put them in, and then there's a little thing inside you pound in and tighten it up in the concrete. So this was $5. And I'll look up what the 1/8 Stumac is. And I would imagine that the 1/8 Stumac actually fits 1/4 inch bushings, where this one is just a little bit loose. But like I said, I put the tape on it and that fixed the problem. So I'll change hands and do this backwards. So here we go. Peg head, it's the appropriate size for the bushing. And it's just pushes in like that. Makes it pretty painless. Not to mention, you don't accidentally. I've seen people put them in with clamps. I've tried putting them with clamps, and inevitably I will end up with a clamp mark somewhere because it slid off the bushing a little bit, and I'll get a little dent in the peg head, and that just frosts me. Anyway, just popping these all in as we are just talking about this, and you can see it's not taking any time at all. Of course, just like anything else, you have to do the right prep before you start. And these are bushings for the vintage style tuners that have the slot that you tuck the string into the hole in the middle of the shaft. And I really like these tuners because you don't have a little piece of string hanging out, and they actually lock in better than standard tuners. They don't lock necessarily better than locking tuners, but you don't need locking tuners if you use these. So that's it. Just that quick. All the bushings are in, and that's it for now. So thanks for watching. Maybe you got all the way to the end because it's less than 3 minutes. Take care now.